It's a Duker's reach-in freezer. I'm seeing a lot of Duker's equipment lately. It's got ice building up at the bottom of it. Seems like these Duker's two-door reach-in freezers all do this. These people have 3 of them. They're all doing it. Right there, you see one little trail. And that's where I've seen it before. Down here, there's a whole bunch of ice built up. It really seems like it's all coming from right there. Check out the way they did this. It has electric defrost. That's better than a Tosa. But a Tosa's drains don't leak like this. All Phillips screws everywhere. They look like the kind that you'd put in a window unit. Except there, those rivets. Rivets and Phillips screws. This other freezer is exactly the same problem. And this one. So this is a commonly known issue with Duker's reach-in freezers. I'm taking it apart right now. I'm loosening up this screw and water's pouring out. See? As I move this, water's dumping out of there. So it's just hanging by the lights wire once you get that undone. The same motors Tosa uses. They're induction motors. That is better than the digital motors that some guys are using, but it's like the only redeeming thing I can find in here. That bit of copper is to conduct heat down the drain instead of using an electric heater. They have this in there. That's their drain heater. How's about this for some build quality? Welded stainless. This is pretty nice. Stainless steel. Couldn't be asked to deburr that though. Can you see how that drain goes uphill a little bit? There's water that pours out of it. It's going to try to run down towards the pan. Now I bent it, see? With a pair of pliers. It runs downhill slightly. That's much better. Now they want me to silicone that hole and that hole. Here's all the sealer they used. I've now siliconed the shit out of it. Now it's sealed. Oh. There pretty much is no getting that top screw off. Pan in place, a little stupid copper thing is there, but look at this. There's nothing holding up the back of the pan. So, you know, that corner being lower than the drain, totally possible, nothing you can do about it. It's pretty lame. Putting the cover back on here, and you gotta tuck all the wires and stuff up into that goofy little cutout to get this to go together.